All right, y'all. Back with another one. Another mystery box. We're finna see what's in this one. Let's see. What's that? Alright, let's see what's in this one. Oh, shoot. Got another mystery box. Oh, yeah. Let's crack this one open. Let's take this plastic off. Oh, yeah. Iron Man. That's badass. You can't tell me they ain't tight. Hold on, let me adjust this camera right. Let's see. Alright, it's a little better. It's a good high grade too. 9.8. See what the bag looks like. Oh, PlayStation, huh? A little advertisement. PlayStation 2. Damn, that's old. Yeah. Old school. Alright. This one. Let's put that back in the bag. Put that one back in the bag. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's tight. Wolverine. Nine eight, huh? Another banger. See what the back looks like. Okay. Nice. Alright. So with that one. Ooh. Now you know who this is. That big bad boy right there. The Hulk. Yeah. That glare though. Let me do something real quick. so much of the glare from outside. Alright, here we go. Yeah. The plastic is so clear and perfect, it just sees the reflection. That boy is tight. Let's see what the back. Look like a annihilator or something. Yeah. Oh, Starburst. Yeah. Old commercial. I mean, old ad. All right. Let's see what's in this one. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Now that's tight. Let's see if I can get the reflection off of it. That's beautiful. I just love the the artwork. That shit is so tight that you can just hang this on the wall. It's a wall hanger. They all have wall hangers though. But yeah, that's nice. Oh, didn't show the back, huh? That's tight. Yeah. Another banger. Another banger. Alright. So let's see what's this one. Take it out of the plastic. I'm surprised that other one didn't have the plastic. X-Men. This is another banger. Another banger. Yeah, that's tight. That's funny because I think I have this one that's not even graded. $1.25. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's see. It's a video game. Sega Genesis. Wow. That's old school. Yeah, that's old school. That's another banger though. Another banger. Let's see. Let me get this one. Let's take this one out of the plastic. Take this sticker off. Man. Ooh. Another banger. Cyclops over here doing this thing, huh? This is a $1.95 one right here. Got me curious what's in the back of it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a banger right there. I like the back. Game Boy. That's a trip. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a banger. All right. Oops. That's another banger. Another one. Another one. Uh-oh. Now this one's real old. Check this one out. $50 center. Hey, I wonder what's in the back of this one. What advertisement it has. That is tight. Fantastic Four. Look at that. Guess what grade it is. Guess what grade it is. Boom. Can't tell me that ain't tight. It's badass. Damn, 1981. All right, let's see what's in the back. What is it? What is it? It's Legos. Legos. Look at that shit. Old school. I wonder how much that is worth right now. That little Lego set. Anybody got one of these? Oh, Legos. That looks like a Batman car, huh? That's tight. Yeah, another banger. Yeah. Another banger. One more. Oh shit. Oh shoot. It's another banger. Yeah. All right. 60 center. Guess what grade this one is? Oh, look at that, boy. Fantastic Four. That's bad. 198. Look how old this is. It was graded a long time ago. Wonder what's in the back. Let's see. Boom. Legos again. Look at that. $82, huh? Oh, Lego set. 82. Mm-hmm. 60 center. Yeah. Yep. Put this one back in the bag. What else we got here? One more. Got one more. One last one. Hold on, let me take it out of the bag. Bam. What is it? What is it? What is that? Another banger. Another banger. Who is it? Venom. Signed. Badass right there. Yeah. You know that's a banger right there. All right, y'all. That was it. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Social support. Catch you guys on another one. Peace out.